Most robot vacuums either clean well or maintain themselves well. Finding one that does both without constant intervention is surprisingly rare. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, I'm reviewing the Mova P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2, a premium robot vacuum and mop system that represents the current generation of fully automated floor care. This is designed for homeowners who want comprehensive cleaning without daily maintenance, particularly those with pets, children, mixed flooring, or simply limited time for household chores. If you've been frustrated by robot vacuums that require frequent brush cleaning, leave edges untouched, or return smelling stale after mopping, this system addresses those specific pain points. The purchase link is in the description below. Reason number 1. 26,000 pascals suction that handles real-world debris. The P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 delivers 26,000 pascals of suction power, which places it among the strongest in the residential robot vacuum category. In practical terms, this means it captures everything from fine dust in floor gaps to larger debris like cereal, kitty litter, and pet kibble without multiple passes. On long pile carpets, the motor maintains consistent pickup even as the bin fills. On hard floors, it doesn't scatter lightweight debris before capturing it. The high-speed motor operates with notably low noise levels for this power class, so you can run it during phone calls or while working from home without constant distraction. For households with shedding pets or high foot traffic, this suction capacity translates to genuinely cleaner floors between deep manual cleanings. Reason number 2. TurboPress technology delivers restaurant-grade mopping. The mopping system uses TurboPress tech to apply 12 newtons of downward pressure, enough to tackle dried spills, muddy footprints, and kitchen grease, without damaging delicate flooring. The mop pads spin at up to 260 revolutions per minute and automatically adjust speed based on floor type, whether you're cleaning sealed hardwood, tile, or laminate. This isn't passive wet wiping. It's active scrubbing that replicates the pressure you'd apply manually. The 212-degree Fahrenheit PTC hot water system washes the mop pads and base station after each cycle, dissolving sticky residue and sanitizing the components. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this self-cleaning capability means the robot doesn't spread dirt from room to room or develop the musty odor common in traditional mop systems. Reason number 3. Triple anti-tangle system minimizes maintenance interruptions. Pet owners know the frustration of stopping mid-cycle to cut hair from brushes and wheels. The P10 Pro's triple anti-tangle system addresses this with 3 coordinated components: a redesigned side brush that deflects long hair, a V-shaped rubber main brush that prevents wrapping, and anti-tangle Omni wheels that resist fiber buildup. The optional clean chop brush further reduces tangling for homes with multiple long-haired pets. In real-world use, this means fewer maintenance alerts, longer unattended run times, and less manual cleaning between cycles. For households with golden retrievers, Maine Coons, or similar heavy shedders, this engineering reduces weekly maintenance from 15 minutes to under 5. Reason number 4. MaxiReach edge cleaning and smart navigation reduce manual touch UPS. The MaxiReach technology extends the cleaning mechanism to reach baseboards, corners, and under cabinet toe kicks, areas where standard robot vacuums leave visible lines of dust. The advanced navigation system maps your home with precision, creating efficient cleaning paths that minimize missed spots and redundant coverage. You'll notice this most clearly along furniture edges and in hallway corners, where debris no longer accumulates between cleaning cycles. The system learns your floor plan over time, optimizing routes and reducing overall cleaning duration without sacrificing thoroughness. This intelligence translates directly into less frequent need to grab a handheld vacuum for spot corrections. Reason number 5. 1-hour hot air drying prevents odor and bacterial growth. After each mopping cycle, the base station uses hot air to dry mop pads to 99% dryness within 1 hour. This feature prevents the mildew smell that plagues many robot mops left damp in enclosed docking stations. The automated drying also extends mop pad lifespan by preventing fabric degradation from constant moisture exposure. For families running the robot overnight or while away at work, This means returning to fresh-smelling floors rather than the musty dampness associated with traditional mopping systems. The hands-free maintenance cycle, washing, drying, and preparing for the next clean, genuinely lives up to the set and forget promise that most robot vacuums only partially deliver.